Hi, I'm Dane Zimmerman, Director of Business Development here at LaserFab.
What is so cool about manufacturing?
Well, I think manufacturing is cool because it involves men and women of all ages and experiences to get a chance to work in an exciting and growing industry that supports all of our friends, families, and neighbors' industries and businesses that they're involved in.
My name's Leon Zimmerman.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
What's cool about manufacturing is it's a different job every day. We do all kinds of different parts.
For me, it's interesting to get a print and figure out what I need to do first as far as bending, what tooling you need, and then making a finished product.
So the products you see here are finished from our end. They will go into bigger components at our customers or further downstream in the manufacturing process. What you see here is components that go into industrial baking ovens, into industrial racks, in warehouses such as Amazon or big warehouses like that. You also see components that go into medical devices or big cylinders or pressure vessels for chemicals or for other processes in industrial applications.
So how is what we do at our school different from what you guys do here?
So you're using the same technology that we're using. It's a CNC program. So you're creating a design, drawing it up, and then having it etched into wood. Here we're doing the same thing, just with metal. Our customer supplies us with a file. If they don't, we have to draw it, just like you would in the AutoCAD program. So you're getting experience with the exact same technology that we're using. We're just using it at a much larger scale, cutting thick metal and cutting parts in huge volumes. But the best part about what we do here and what you do there is that you can come from where you are and come to work at LaserFab and learn on the job.